Lenin's What is to be Done, a revolutionary blueprint for organizing the proletariat. Vladimir Lenin, a leading figure in the Russian Revolution and a central architect of Marxist-Leninist ideology, penned the pivotal pamphlet What is to be Done in 1902. This thought-provoking work remains a cornerstone of revolutionary theory, addressing critical questions about the role of intellectuals, the nature of the working class, and the strategy required to lead the proletariat towards a socialist transformation. In this comprehensive analysis, we delve into the intricacies of what is to be done, and explore its underlying principles, implications, and its enduring significance in shaping revolutionary movements. 1. The context of what is to be done. Written at a time of political turbulence and increasing discontent among workers in Russia, What is to be Done was a response to the challenges faced by the Russian Social Democratic Labour Party. Lenin aimed to address the disorganization within the party and provide a theoretical basis for revolutionary action. 2. The role of the intellectuals. A central theme of the pamphlet is the role of intellectuals in revolutionary movements. Lenin argues that intellectuals, who possess theoretical knowledge, have a crucial role to play in guiding the working class towards a revolutionary consciousness. He stresses the need for a dedicated, professional revolutionary vanguard that can bridge the gap between the intellectual elite and the working masses. 3. Spontaneity versus conscious leadership. Lenin critiques the prevalent economist tendency within the RSDLP, which placed undue faith in spontaneous working class actions without providing them with conscious leadership. He argues that relying solely on spontaneous actions without clear ideological direction would result in disjointed efforts and a failure to achieve lasting change. 4. The importance of party organization. In What is to be Done, Lenin emphasizes the necessity of a disciplined, centralized party organization. He advocates for a tightly knit party that can provide consistent guidance to the working class and coordinate its efforts towards revolutionary goals. Lenin's vision was rooted in the idea that a tightly organized party would be more effective in advancing the cause of the proletariat. 5. Theory and practice. Lenin underscores the need for a strong theoretical foundation within the party. He believes that revolutionary theory should guide practical action, and that intellectuals should play a role in formulating and disseminating this theory. Lenin's emphasis on the connection between theory and practice aimed to ensure that the working class's efforts were purposeful and strategically directed. 6. Building class consciousness. Central to Lenin's argument is the concept of class consciousness. He contends that the working class, left to its own devices, would only develop trade union consciousness, focused on immediate economic demands. Lenin calls for intellectuals to introduce revolutionary ideas and cultivate class consciousness among the proletariat, inspiring them to strive for broader social change. 7. Influence and controversy. What is to be done sparked significant debate within the socialist movement. While some embraced Lenin's ideas, others criticized his call for a tightly controlled party and questioned the role of intellectuals in leading the working class. The pamphlet played a crucial role in shaping the direction of the RSDLP and contributing to the ideological split between Bolsheviks and Mensheviks. 8. Legacy and influence. What is to be done continues to influence discussions about party organization, leadership, and strategy within revolutionary movements. Lenin's focus on the importance of conscious leadership, theoretical rigor, and disciplined organization has resonated with subsequent generations of activists and thinkers, shaping debates about the most effective paths to social change. Conclusion: a blueprint for revolutionary vanguard. Vladimir Lenin's What is to be Done remains a seminal work that grapples with the intricate dynamics of revolutionary organizing. It laid the groundwork for discussions on the role of intellectuals, the significance of party discipline, and the relationship between theory and practice. While debated and critiqued, the pamphlet's enduring legacy lies in its assertion that conscious leadership, informed by a solid theoretical framework, is essential for guiding the working class towards a revolutionary future.